In this video, let me show you how to import contacts into your AOL Mail account. If you're trying to import a bunch of contacts through a CSV file, you can easily do it through the contacts list by heading over to the contacts section, which you'll be able to find on the left hand side. Once you're inside of this section, you can click on the three dotted line, which is on the top right. And right here, you'll see the option called Import CSV File. But however, it does have a limit of a 5 MB max. If your file is larger than 5 MB, you'll need to separate it into multiple files so that a single CSV file does not exceed 5 MB. So just click on the import option right here, and then you'll be able to select it from your desktop or your laptop. Just pick the CSV that you're trying to import, and the process of importing will start. This may take some time depending upon the number of contacts or the email addresses that you have, but make sure that the email address and the name that you have added in are correct. So that was it for this video. That's the way that you import contacts inside of AOL Mail. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.